In this lesson, you learn how to start screen recording, how to capture a movie as part of your test execution, and you can also define the step from where that screen recording should be started. It should not be valid for all the different steps. You can really build it as part of your test design to maybe document and record movies only on a specific state when your test is failing, or you want to see any kind of manual verification if the test has been doing that, so you can record a movie for that. And the way to do it is you can either do it for the whole test, so you can start recording for every test, or you can just go, let's say for one of the tests I have disabled my reporter for Chrome, but let's see, for even it's disabled, I will start the recording here. So let's say here I go on the reporter and I can say directly start screen recording. And from that point on, UFT developer is going to start. Even it will not track anything, but it will record. And after I am finished, I can say stop screen recording, and this will make sure that the screen recording is ended accordingly. So this is a very simple way to do it. You can start it on a specific step, you can combine it with conditions, do it in complete runtime situation based. So it's really up to you how you consume it. And if I would run the test, so let's run it now, you will see it will start the recording directly and record everything what is part of the test. So the test itself is being executed. Now we can see here it goes, opens the browser, goes into the Chrome, and then close the browser, and now it has completed the test. And what I will see now is I have here under extensions run results. In the last run results, you remember we don't have any documentation for Chrome because we have disabled it with this command report level is off before and after executing the test case. But on Chrome we enabled the recording. So it says here I have started the recording, here I have completed the recording, and you will find in the description the link to the movie. And this is actually what you can just directly click on it. It will download it, and you can start watching it. So it will show you exactly what it has been recording the whole time. So it's like, let me resize it. It's like this window which is being captured, and you can play the movie. It will show you exactly the execution state for that defined step in your test, so you are able to completely put it in a condition you would like UFT developer to record the movie. So that's it, pretty simple how you can do screen capture and record movies as you like.